Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Nicola and I make lifestyle videos, so hauls and vlogs and what I eat in a day and all those sorts of things, although there's more vlogs than anything else at the moment because we are safe at home and therefore not doing much shopping. So today I thought I would do a wardrobe reorganisation. I did one of these probably about a year ago. I do my wardrobe swap over, so my spring summer to autumn winter and then back again. I filmed this one, my autumn winter to spring summer last year. I didn't film the swap over again in the autumn, but I thought I would film this swap over now. The weather has been amazing, it's been so beautiful. Today I woke up and the sun was streaming through the blinds here, which you can see a little bit now, and I got up, got myself some breakfast. By the time I sat down it was raining and cloudy, but the sun is just starting to come out now, so I thought I would do this video now while it's still warming up so I can spend some time in the garden this afternoon. But I think the weather is actually going to get a bit worse throughout the rest of the weekend, but I still need some of my summery springy clothes out from under the bed. I've been struggling to find things to wear over the last couple of days. I've got things like this which I bought from Primark in my last haul, which is about a month, 6 weeks ago, and there are some things I have got which are nice to wear, but I've been rooting out sort of old pairs of denim shorts and t-shirts and stuff, and most of my lovely summer things are all under the bed. So I thought it's really time to get those out. I'm going to keep some of my hoodies and jeans and things like that out because I will wear them over the summer anyway, and because I know that weather isn't going to be great over the next week, I will need some warmer things to wear. So what I'm going to do is take everything out of my wardrobe, sort through what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. I'll bag up anything for charity shops and keep hold of that until they're reopened, and then anything that I want to keep and still wear I'll put back in the wardrobe. Anything else I'll bag up and stick under the bed. I've got some vacuum pack bags that I use, and then I'll get out all of the things that are under the bed and sort through those and what needs washing. Most of it should be okay. I have had a few things out of there over the last month or so that I've needed, and most of those have smelled good because I put some little organza bags. I don't know if you haven't seen the video. I put some little organza bags with the Lenore Unstoppables inside, so they all smell quite fresh and nice, which is really good, but some of it might need ironing and things anyway. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to film it while I do it, and I'll come back to you if there's anything interesting to tell you. Okay, so this is the state of things at the moment. I always feel so shocked when I take stuff out of the wardrobe like this and lay it out because it never looks that much. I mean, I know people who've got much bigger wardrobes than me. I've got this little one here, and then obviously this section, and then those few drawers, and when it's in there, you know, it never seems that much, and then you lay it out like this and you think, oh my god, there's so many clothes, and there's so many things here that, you know, I don't get to wear a lot. There are some lovely dresses and things, like going out dresses, which, you know, I normally would perhaps have worn one to a big black tie-do that we quite often go to with work in July, but obviously that's not happening now. So there's lots of things that I've sort of kept in there that now I no longer need, and I'm not going to need really till Christmas time, so I might as well put them away. Coats, I just bought this coat, actually I bought it off Freya Farrington. She put it on her Depop, and I've been looking for a camel coat for ages, and the ones I liked were all out of stock or they were too expensive, and so she put that up for sale, and it's lovely, but it's actually longer than I thought it was. When I saw the picture of her wearing it, I thought, oh well, it came to just below her knee, and I thought, oh, that's actually going to be quite a lot shorter on me because I'm taller, but actually it's not. It's fine, it'll be lovely for the winter, but not for now. So I can put that away, and there's some other, these are all the sort of bits that I'm thinking of keeping for, so lots of t-shirts, hoodies and jeans and crop jeans and things like that that I actually want to keep for the rest of the spring and then into the summer. And then not a huge pile of things to donate, a few bits, not my slippers obviously, but these things here I haven't worn at all, so they will either be dumped or donated, so I'm going to put those in a separate bag. But yeah, so I've got all this stuff now to put back in, and then this stuff to bag up, and then I need to get the stuff out from under the bed that I've not even yet looked at. That's my stuff that was packed away last summer. So yeah, let's crack on with getting this stuff put back so that I can make some room.
Cover your eyes, promise not to look, 'cause I got some good news for you. Unexpected surprise, now you're on the hook. Guess what, I booked a ticket for two. I feel stressed and depressed, I feel stuck in a route. It's time we get a brand new start. So get dressed, pack your bags, feel the holiday mood. You won't believe what we're about to do. 'Cause we're off, California. I long to wrap my arms around you. Wanna love and renew you. Do all the things we used to do. Feel my toes in the sand, let my hair in the wind, and feel the love that we once shared. Here we come, California. Come and bring us back to life. Bring us to life. Bring us to life. Bring us to life.
I think the nicest thing about doing this is the fact that you find things that you completely forgotten you had. Like there's a skirt here, this skirt, in fact I think I wore it in like a what I wore in a week video or something anyway, last year. This skirt, I completely forgot I had it. I got, what is that? And then I remembered and I was like, oh, I can't wait to wear that again. So that's really nice, but there's a lot more here than I remember as well. Things like, this is quite sad. I bought this in Primark last summer for our Disney trip. I got this so that I could wear it at Animal Kingdom when we went, and obviously we're not going now, so that's really sad. But I'll wear it in the garden and pretend, I'll pat the dog and pretend I'm Animal Kingdom or something. But yeah, so that's a bit sad. But yeah, there's lots of stuff there, so a lot more than I thought. But that's got to go back into the wardrobe now. There's a few things that I've just put straight from the side pile back into the winter pile again. Dresses that I know I won't wear, smart occasion dresses that I know I won't wear. There's a jacket here that's more of an autumn jacket. So I'm going to keep this bag here for winter coats and put those in there with that. I've got a few downstairs to come up. But yeah, so I'm going to start putting these things away. A lot of them need ironing, but I'm just going to put them away for now and let them hang for a while. And then I'll probably iron them as I need them. And then I'll bag up all of that pile there.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came? Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say? And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came? Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say? And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
Okay, so I've got my 4 big bags. I'm sure I didn't have this many last time. I've definitely not thrown away as much as I normally would. And actually, I suppose there are a few things in here that ordinarily would be in the wardrobe, but as I mentioned before, because there are dresses that I will never wear, well, not this summer anyway, and there are lots of like holiday stuff, the things that I would only wear on holiday, and we're not going on holiday, so I've just put those back in the bags to save space in the wardrobe. So now I'm going to suck the air out of these bags to make them smaller, so hopefully they'll all fit under the bed, because there's quite a lot of stuff here. So yeah, fingers crossed they'll fit under the bed. I've tried to make some sort of organisation, so I've got like all the dresses in one, the jumpers and tops in 2, and then the coats in another, just so that if for some reason, you know, suddenly we are going on holiday, I mean we're not, but should we, you know, then I'd know where to find the little things that I might need to get out, or if I need a smart coat for something and I might need to go in there, or, you know, a dress for a smart event, then I know where to find them, and I don't have to open all the bags and rifle through everything to be able to find it. So yeah, there's sort of been some sort of order when I've been doing it. So I'm going to suck the air out of these, and then hopefully they'll fit under the bed. And then stupidly, when I was wondering when I was hanging up all the clothes where all my nice hangers were. I was like, this is really odd. I've only got plastic ones. I should have lots of velvety ones. And then when I was taking the big pile and putting them in here, I found all of the hangers underneath the pile. So I'm going to swap out a load of the hangers in there for some of these nicer ones. But I'll do that after. So yeah, I'm going to get these bags vacuum packed and then stick them under the bed.
Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say? And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful.
Right, I am done at last. I'm shattered and I'm starving hungry, so I'm going to show you quickly what it looks like now. I've managed to change the bedding as well, and I will show you how it looks. So I've changed all of the hangers, so I've kept like my t-shirts and stuff on these like bought plastic hangers. I haven't got any shop hangers anymore, which is quite good. So all of the clothes here are now on my velvety hangers, and I've got some spares plastic ones and a couple of velvety ones. And this hanger, I can't remember whether it was my godmother or my godfather bought me a set of hangers like this, these quilted ones, for my birthday. I think I was about 13. I'm sure I was delighted. So I've got a few bits down here like Christmas stockings and things. They probably need to go up in the attic. my bag, and then this is all my underwear, which does actually need sorting, but I'm not going to do that today. So I've got all my jeans and stuff here, plenty of space for more stuff. Pyjamas and loungewear in here. There's all my summer pyjamas. I've put those in the wash because they were all really creased and horrible. And then my shorts and sort of workout gear in that one. And then on this side, all my dresses and jumpsuits and stuff. And then shoes, scarves, bags. And that is it. Wardrobe is done. I do have a big pile of washing down here that I need to sort and put away, and I have ironing downstairs, but I don't think much of that is mine actually. I think most of that belongs to Andrew and the children, so that's a relief. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I feel much better now that it's done and all my winter stuff is now put away. Let me know if you are doing a similar thing now you're at home with little else to do. I'm sure lots of people are blitzing their houses, cleaning, tidying. Obviously we're in the middle of doing our garden at the moment. So anyway, I'm going to go and get myself some lunch, and I will look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.